Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I am Coach Sherry, and in this video, I am going to take you through a whole new LGA. LGA is LaGuardia Airport in New York. It's in Queens, and it's the airport that I flew into when I went to hang out with my youngest of three in New York City. She is living in New York, living her best life this summer, and I went there to kind of hang out with her, help her navigate the subway system, and just spend that good quality mother-daughter time. But on my way back, I was able to really focus on all the different changes that LaGuardia did, and I was blown away. I mean, look at this area. It actually looks like a department store and not an airport. If I didn't have my luggage, I would have really thought I was in Macy's or Dillard's or somewhere and not at the airport. Just look at how wide open everything is, how accessible it is. Typically, these would be in its own store, but here it's open just like a department store. I mean, they had Kendra Scott jewelry, Kate Spade, they had a bookstore, technology, clothes, paraphernalia for New York. Just a lot of great things, and I was really excited to see how they made this change. You know, here lately I've been flying in many different airports, and you know, airports have done some renovations. Airports make millions of dollars a day. It is really big business. So for them to do these types of upgrades is something that I know I expect, and I'm very pleased to have been able to experience it. Let me know in the comments down below if you've been to the new LGA. And what do you think about the new LaGuardia Airport? One of the great things that I've noticed in flying into major cities, I really first started to notice it when I used to fly into New Orleans, is how they take local cuisine and put them in the airport. So as you can see, here's Junior's, and we all know Junior's is in Brooklyn, but maybe someone didn't get a chance to go to Brooklyn. Maybe they didn't want to buy it too early because they know they would have eaten the cheesecake a lot sooner. So to see something like this in the airport, to me, is a win, because it allows you to buy it and try it, even if you weren't able to go to its home base, and you're able to get more and take it back to family and friends without it going bad, because you're going right home. So I love seeing that. I remember in New Orleans, it was the Praline Connection that was in the airport. I'm not sure if they're still in there, but they had a store presence in the airport, and I thought that was really cool. So have you tried Junior's cheesecake? Let me know in the comments down below. And what did you think? Is it better than the Cheesecake Factory, or is the Cheesecake Factory better than Junior's? Let me know. If you've ever traveled with young children, you know it can be challenging, especially if there's a layover. And I thought this was a cute little idea to have a play section for kids. However, I don't know if we would have let our kids play there because, with germs and all kind of craziness going on, but I thought that was a great idea. But I want to thank you all for rocking with me. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the whole new LGA. And next time you fly into New York, consider flying into LaGuardia. If you are not yet part of this team, I invite you now to hit the subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up and share this video for those who you know may be interested in what the new LaGuardia Airport looks like. Thank you so much for tuning in. And until we speak again, stay safe.